Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk all things intimacy, pleasure, and making your experiences more fulfilling. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood but can be incredibly enjoyable when approached the right way: training your body for anal sex. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to make things more comfortable, stick around because I've got a golden tip at the end that'll be a total game changer. Oh, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on all the exciting content coming your way. Let's be honest, anal sex isn't something you should just dive into without preparation. It requires patience, communication, and a little bit of training to make it a pleasurable and comfortable experience. If done right, it can be amazing. But without the right approach, it can lead to discomfort or even pain, which nobody wants. That's why I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you're exploring this solo or with a partner, these tips will set you up for success and make sure you're feeling relaxed, safe, and ready to enjoy the experience. Step 1. Relaxation is key. Before you even think about anal play, you need to make sure your body and mind are in the right place. Relaxation is everything. If you're feeling tense, your muscles will resist, and that's where discomfort starts. Set the mood in a way that makes you feel calm and comfortable. Try dimming the lights, playing soothing music, or taking a warm bath to help your muscles relax. And let's not forget the power of deep breathing. Try inhaling deeply for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling slowly for 6 seconds. This helps your body release tension and makes the process much smoother. If you're with a partner, communication is everything. Talk about your boundaries, comfort levels, and expectations before getting started. The more relaxed you feel, the better the experience will be. Step 2. Lube is your best friend. I'll say it louder for the people in the back: lube is everything. The anus doesn't self-lubricate, so if you want a smooth, comfortable, and pleasurable experience, don't skimp on lube. Here's the breakdown of different types of lubes. Water-based lube, easy to clean and safe with all toys and condoms. Great for beginners. Silicone-based lube, super long-lasting and silky smooth, but can't be used with silicone toys. Hybrid lube, a mix of water and silicone for the best of both worlds. Whatever you choose, apply it generously, both to the anus and any fingers or toys you're using. And remember to reapply as needed. Revolving light important. Avoid numbing lubes. They can mask pain, which might lead to injury because you won't be able to tell if something's wrong. Step 3. Start small and train gradually. Think of this like stretching before a workout. You wouldn't just drop into a split without warming up, right? The same goes for anal play. You need to ease into it. Start by applying gentle pressure around the anus with your fingertips. Get used to the sensation before slowly inserting one well-lubed finger or a small beginner-friendly anal toy. Light bulb pro tip. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply as you relax. Exhale slowly as you insert. If something feels uncomfortable, pause, breathe, and take your time. This isn't a race, it's about training your body to relax and stretch comfortably over time. Step 4. Gradually increase size comfort. Once you're comfortable with one finger or a small toy, you can slowly start increasing the size. Maybe that means moving to 2 fingers or a slightly bigger toy, but the key here is to listen to your body and never force it. How do you know you're ready to size up? Checkmark you can insert a toy or finger without discomfort. Checkmark your muscles feel more relaxed over time. Checkmark you feel in control and enjoy the sensations. If something starts to feel too intense or painful, stop. Pain is never normal, and your body is telling you to slow down. Take a break, breathe, and go back to a smaller size if needed. Consistency is key. The more regularly you train, the more natural it will feel. Even spending just a few minutes practicing a few times a week can make a huge difference in your comfort level. Step 5. The golden tip. Use a butt plug trainer set. Here's the golden tip I promised: butt plug trainer sets. These kits come with multiple sizes, allowing you to gradually work your way up at a pace that feels good for you. They're designed to help your muscles adjust comfortably, and they make the entire process so much easier. Start with the smallest size and only move up when you're ready. No rush, no pressure. Bonus tips for comfort pleasure. Light bulb. Try different positions. Some people find that lying on their side or being on all fours is more comfortable than others. Light bulb incorporate external stimulation. Using a vibrator or clitoral stimulation at the same time can make anal play feel even better. Light bulb stay hydrated, take bathroom breaks. A relaxed body leads to a more enjoyable experience. Final thoughts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your partner, and hit that subscribe button for more content on intimacy, pleasure, and connection. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below with your biggest questions, experiences, or tips when it comes to anal play. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay open, and most importantly, have fun.